I'm Lenny Langus, and yes, that is hilarious. I'm about to tell you the harm that sound effects bring to everyday life. Thank you. This first scene demonstrates the harm sound effects brings to your everyday life.
I have to go for a little while. I'm gonna be back.
No! Wait, you think I want to do this? You think I wanted to do this? Why?
And the Academy Award goes to... this guy!
Oh my god! Let me see. Dude, I think I just destroyed my computer.
Wait, what?
I think I just destroyed my computer.
Wait, what? Oh, no.
Oh, thank God. Because if water gets in here,
It ain't coming out.
it ain't coming out. That was awesome.
Oh, you're dad.
He's gonna kill us. I'm still recording.